It's their curly bob wig, and the texture on this is the pop and curls. This is what your cap construction looks like. So you do get a 13x6 parting space area, and you can also tell that they went ahead and bleached those knots. It's looking like, as you can see, they did pluck it out, okay? The plucking is in the building. And then this is what it looks like on this side. And then this is what it looks like in the front. So this is what the parting space is looking like. It's giving scalp. So if you wanted to part it on another side, you absolutely can. I do like the length. I also like that it doesn't feel really heavy on my head because of the density. So the density is good to me. It was fun to play around with this curly one. I did give you guys 2 style options, which is this little flip over that I decided to do, and then also the middle part. You guys let me know which one you like the best. I mean, the flip over is cute.